Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 welding machine. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As item number 3, we've selected the Andeli Intelligent MIG-250 GPLC. Specifications. Brand name, Andeli. Rated duty cycle, 85%. Is smart device? No. Pilot arc current, 5220A. Usage, welding of materials. Pulse frequency, 50, 60 Hz. Model number, MIG-250 GPLC. Dimensions, 480 x 240 x 408. Arc current, 2250A. Item number 2 is the Autoand Portable Household 220 volts MIG-250 Mini. Specifications. Brand name, Andeli. Usage, welding. Model number, MIG-250 Mini. Dimensions, 200 x 160 x 240. Arc current, 120A. Voltage, 220 volts. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Hertzgogen MIG Welder MIG-145. Specifications. Brand name, Hertzgogen. Weight, 7.5 kg. Wire feeding speed, 3 to 18 meters per minute. Model number, MIG-145. Is smart device? No. Dimensions, 42 cm 27 cm 30.5. Usage, MIG welding. MIG welder frequency, 50/60 Hz. Output current, 3130A. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.